Görkem.
Görkem.
Yep.
Görkem. You can make it. Go. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, I'm here in the KubeCon 2025 London, and I'm pretty excited to share this story with you. I just bumped into Görkem from Jozu, and please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm the CTO of Jozu. We do AI, ML, DevOps, and DevSecOps solutions at Jozu. I'm also the maintainer of the newly minted CNCF project called Kitaps. We do an AI, ML artifact packaging solution at kitaps.org. And we can talk a little bit more about that.
Yes, please go ahead, because I think that everybody's talking about AI, but I want to know how you enable and how you can build the innovation of tomorrow.
Yeah, the Kitaps is doing a little bit different approach to AI. We are trying to solve the more fundamental problems of DevOps and DevSecOps with the AI ML artifacts. What Kitaps provides is it's what we call model kits. Model kits are essentially OCI artifacts that can bring your models, your data sets, your configuration into one OCI artifact. The advantage of that is you can use existing OCI registries, your existing pipelines, tools like Notary, Cosign, to do secure supply chains with your AI ML artifacts. So it kind of brings it to the whole loop together so that you can do DevSecOps and DevOps much easier.
Wow, that's cool. And why is it better doing with Jozu and not doing by yourself?
The Jozu adds the model kit experience to an OCI registry, essentially. So when you go to an OCI registry, you get a very basic plain view of the OCI artifacts and nothing specialized to model kits. So the first thing that you will notice when you go to Jozu, it's a UI that has been tailor-made for model kits and for AI ML practitioners. But we also do additional services because we have access to your model kits, and model kits have all the information needed for us to optimize things and or highlight things. We do model scanning so that there are no known injection errors and injection vulnerabilities. We do generate Docker containers for your model kits, depending on what kind of model you have. We have a UI that will give you differences between your model kits and so on and so forth. So it's managing your model kits and your AI ML flows is much easier when you have Jozu Hub on top of it. But the core technology, which is the open source CNCF project, can still be used without Jozu Hub.
Wow, that's good. Thank you for bringing and sharing with the community. Yeah. And how can people connect or get more information?
Yeah, so if they pop on to kitaps.org, that's where all the information for the open source project is available. And if they come to jozu.ml, that's where they
I love it, .ml.
Yeah, that's where they can actually have an experience of the Jozu Hub.
Great.
And for the company, jozu.com, and my name is Görkem.
Great. Thank you very much, and let's create the innovation of tomorrow. Bye.